kick drum circuit on perfboard now, testing it out. You can hear it in the background going to this speaker. The way this circuit works, once again, you have an TLO 74 op amp. The negative feedback of that is being provided by a bridge T network with two capacitors. These are 18 nanofarad capacitors, and you have the pitch being controlled by this knob here. You can hear the difference in the pitch. I'll put it down. And you can see it on the oscilloscope, the kind of patterns it's producing. And you have the decay in the circuit, which is right here. And you can see the decay extending, and you can hear it too. You can make the decay longer. This is the tone depth and the accent pitch. It gives you that sound, that pattern on the oscilloscope. Let's get rid of the decay a little bit. I'd say it works pretty well. All right. Now it's time to work on a tom drum. So I have a feeling the tom drum is going to be very similar to the kick drum, only with a higher pitch, so lower level capacitors essentially. So let's try that. Let's try to turn this resistance all the way down. Now it's starting to sound like a tom. And you can see it's a much higher frequency of the sinusoid decay pattern, and you can hear the sound. But that's just a very extreme range. Alright, well, thanks for watching. On to the tom drum.